Hello Dent coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Dent coin price update. What's the price changes occur in the Dent coin? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about Dent coin. Guys, if we talk about the right now update of Dent coin, so you can see here guys, the right now price is about 0.00636 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Dent coin. And furthermore, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Dent coin is going positive in the market, and that's why due to these positive changes, I suggest for everybody hold. Just hold for a long time, guys. Let me show you the price chart of Dent coin. Wow, it's going complicated, but guys, the good news for everybody is that you can see, guys, there is last 1 day price chart in positive 5.94%. Positive change. That means that now the price is in the pumping, guys. So very congratulations, Dent coin also trending coin in the market, and it is a low price coin. You can see the price is in the decimals, so that's why I think there's a low price coin. So also it's good going for investment if you want to buy, so I think it's good time for buying, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion about Dent coin? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos.